Okay, kwabafuna ukufunda i-keyboard ke. Okay, moving on. Okay, so siyazi na ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa ama-chords, kunento ekuthiwa ama-notes. Okay, mina ke I would recommend ukuthi ngizofundisa ngo-C# kule series because assume umuntu akazi lutho. I'm gonna teach with C#. This is C#. This is C# as I told you. Ngizofundisa ngo-C#. Okay, ama-notes ka-C# like for Itende. Okay, what we can use, yakhohlwa ukuthi bayibiza ngani kwi-piano. Original chords ahlukile, original like chords ahlukile, original notes ahlukile kancane ngendlela ama-chord akhona then nalawo esiwasebenzisa la kwi-Itende, yabo. Okay, so I don't want to focus into the piano because I'm teaching Itende la. Okay, so ngizofundisa ngama-notes ka-C# right now. So C# notes. Ama-notes yini? A set of chords. Ama-chords ahlukahlukene ka-C#. Akha i-scales ka-C#. I-scale ama-notes esephelele aliyo key. I-scales ka-C#, yabo, into kanjalo. Okay, i-scales ka-C# sihamba kanjani for Itende? Okay, this is the first note that you need to know. That you need to know. See, let me change. Okay, no, that's it, perfect. See, one lo la kwi-Itende siwabiza ngey'number ke, yabo, up to 9, 1 up to 9. Kwi-piano they will say nakhona hamba ngey'number nakhona sometimes, but wona ahlukile yakhona ahlukile, yabo. Babuye bawabize ngey'number at the same time babuye bawabize ngamalokhu akhona. Okay, like this is C, I think it's C major, C# major, C kanjalo, yabo. Ahamba ngakanjalo. See, it's something like that, you see. But la Itende, I want to repeat kakhulu because there are those people who always trying to correct my comments, trying to say this and that. Here we are teaching Itende. Umuntu masefuna ukufunda ipiano, you can go to YouTube like on other channels and learn how to play piano, see, or go to school, musical school. Okay, this is one. Okay, this is one. And enye indlela into enza ngiyithanda indaba yokufundisa ngale ndlela yo-1 no 2 no 3, it's a bit easier, kuyashesha ukubambeka, yabo. Then lezi ezinye impahla ze-piano, it's a bit easier kwi-Itende, you see, because with piano there are loads of information that you need to know, loads of information engabe bakufundisa nje keyboard. See, nam already right now many have lost manje mhlawumbe ababuka manje have lost interest, you see. Okay.